Hey guys, what's going on? Chamberlain here, and I've been in here for several months. So, I was installed in December of 2017, so that was almost a year. So I think I've been in here for like 10 months now, but yeah, and I'm still going strong. So I'm going to do a demonstration for you guys to show you guys how I work. So this here is the remote. It controls everything from the garage door. Like, this is what makes me open the door and close the door. And this is what turns my light on and off, which I'll demonstrate that. See? So now I'll demonstrate me opening and closing the door. Yep, since I opened the door. And then these sensor beams right here, if somebody moves past them at a decent speed, then it'll turn the lights on. And if the garage door closes and the sensor interferes with something, then it'll reverse the garage door and it'll make my light flash to let me know that, or to let people know that something has reversed the garage door opener. Now, it won't do that if somebody were to press the button. If somebody were to press a button to make it reverse, it won't make my light flash. Only if one of these sensors activate. So one of my owners, Derek, is going to demonstrate that for you guys. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see my light flash, but you saw Derek trip one of the sensors. He was going to trip the right one, but apparently that didn't work for some reason. So we just used the left one. So yeah, everything's been going good. I know it's been a while since you guys have heard from me, but I'm back now because Derek's back. Because he's on a fall break. So yeah. Alright guys, that's it. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you later.